study tour to Norway and Sweden has been organized by Government of Goa, Goa Waste Management Corporation. A delegation of 7 members, 4 from the press, electronic and print media, senior chief reporters of 4 newspapers, 3 newspapers and 1 electronic media, along with the technical team of Goa Waste Management Corporation, that is MD, then engineer of Goa State Pollution Control Board, Mr. Joglegar, Mr. Martins, and myself will visit Norway and Sweden. A similar visit was done before we could set up waste management facility, solid waste management facility in Kalangut, on Kalangut Plateau, which has access from Saligaon. Now this facility which has come up over there, we visited Austria, Italy and Germany in 2013, and at that particular time we had taken 2 people from the media, one from the print and electronic media, and the whole functioning of the solid waste management plant, that is garbage treatment plants in Italy, Austria and Germany, were recorded, were seen, photographed, everything. The technology was understood by us and then shown to the people of Goa. And then we had taken meetings in Kalangut, Kandalim, Saligaon and told the people that Goa requires a solid waste management facility and we are putting it on the Kalangut Plateau. We immediately, our process was on for land acquisition. We completed it within a record time of nearly 2 months only. 1,20,000 was acquired and access was acquired from Saligaon, Cognida. Then we have built a good facility on the plateau of Kalangut. So now back again, North Goa has a facility, South Goa does not have, Tiswadi does not have. आणि हिंगासरी फॅसिलिटी येवपाक अत्यंत गरजेची गजाल. साऊथ गोवान अक्षरशः म्युनिसिपॅलिटी, आमदार आणि एनजीओज आणि लोक झगडत आहा. माझो कचरो तू तुझे वाटेर नाका, तुझो कचरो माझ्या वाटेर नाका. डार्क स्पॉट्स बीइंग बर्न्ड एट नाईट. लोक हाडून हाडून गार्बेज रोडार उडयता, कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचो येवन केरोसीन घालता, पेट्रोल घालता, उजो लायता. हें चालूच आहा. बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट आमकां दोंगरांचेर दिसता रातचे, खंयचे तरी हॉस्पिटलां व्हरता, दोंगराचेर उडयता. हेचे सगळे कॉग्निझन्स has been taken by National Green Tribunal. NGT has passed several orders, was about to fine Goa government of nearly 2 crores rupees because we have not set up solid waste management facilities. Now Sintef, which is a subsidiary of government of Norway, has invited us to see their plants, especially construction debris jenna तयार जाता. When a new building is being built, house is being built or old house is being demolished. आयज गोंयान कितें जाता की लोक ते कचरो जो उरता, स्पेशली डेब्रीज जे उरता, आदले फातर, टायल्स वा नवे फातर जे तासता फुट्टा पळय ते, एक सायडा वयरसून कितले 50 व्हडली जो तर सायडा 50-100 ट्रक डेब्रीज तयार जाता आनी ह्यो खंय वयता डेब्रीज? हे कोण तरी व्हरता रोडार खाली करता. They unloaded on the road, they unloaded on the highway, they unloaded on the internal roads. वामान व्हरून खाली करता, नल्ल्यान खाली करता, कोण व्हरता रिवरान खाली करता, शेतांनी खाली करता, दोंगरार व्हरून खाली करता. आनी वयता थिंगा गोवा जी आमची ग्रीन आहा ते आमकां दिसता की हे डेब्री प्लेस काय. जेन्ना ट्युरिस्ट येता आनी म्हणटा इतना खूबसूरत है, इधर क्या है, 50 ट्रक कौन लाके ये फेक दिया है रोड के साइड में. आमच्या गोंयांत डेब्रीचो जागो ना. डेब्रीज खंय व्हरून उडोवन तेजो ट्रीट करपाचो जागो. त्या खातीर we are being invited in Norway to see this facility, a solid waste management facility, a proper treatment facility and वेस्टा वयरसून ते प्रोडक्ट्स कितें तयार करता पळय. सो त्या खातीर आमी वी आर गोईंग टू नॉर्वे टू स्टडी दीस फर्स्ट. कन्स्ट्रक्शन डेब्रीज जे आदले फातर जे काडलेले आहा, टायल्स जे फोडलेले आहा, जे फॉल्स सिलिंगा आहा, जे पार्टिशन्स आहा, anything related to construction debris will be turned into blocks, will be turned into interlocking pavers, will be turned into tiles, sand, रेव जातली तेजी तयार. आमचे कडेन रेव शॉर्टेज आहा. सो टेक्नॉलॉजी जी वाडल्या गोंयांत इंडियेक आनी इंडिये भायर, technology is different internationally. They have advanced technology. We are going to see it, and we will set up a similar facility in Goa. And Sintef जे आमच्या गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया कडेन तेंच्यांनी सायन केला, जे CPWD कडेन सायन केला, तेणी गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशना कडेन सायन केला, GWMC. तेणी आमकां मिडियाक फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वतात ते दाखोवपाक. वी वॉन्ट टू ओनली show this to the people of Goa through the electronic and print media, that how the world has developed all this technology जी develop जाला ती गोंयान आमी कशी यूज करूंक जाता. जे गोंयान डेब्रीज पडटा वयता पळय तिंगा ते आमी स्टॉप कशें करूंक शकता. सो ह्या खातीर ही फॅसिलिटी गोंयान येवपाची अत्यंत गरज आहा. आनी वी हॅव गिवन कमिटमेंट टू द ऑनरेबल NGT कोर्ट. Goa government has given a affidavit to the honorable court that we will set up this facility. We will go see it. The media will show it to the people of Goa that yes, सगळे debris are करसून आमकां tiles करूंक जाता. We can have our roads, our fields, our rivers, our hills free of debris. सगळ्यांक आमी फॅसिलिटी दितले. ह्या जाग्यार व्हरून तुमी घालपाक जाय. आमचे कडेन ट्रान्सफर स्टेशन आसा. उनके सद्या ह्या सर्वे नंबरान तुमी व्हरून घाला, थिंगा कंपाउंडेड प्लेस आसता, थिंगासून आमी व्हरतले फॅक्टरीन आनी आमी तेजो प्रोडक्ट तयार करतले. सो हो ही फर्स्ट फॅसिलिटी. सेकंड फॅसिलिटी आमी वेस्ट टू एनर्जी पळोवंक. वी वील ऑल सी इन आवर ओन आईज एंड द मिडिया ऑल्सो वील सी हाव एनर्जी इज बींग क्रिएटेड आउट ऑफ वेस्ट. एनर्जी कशी तयार जाता वेस्टांची, whether it is wet waste or whether it is dry waste, any type of waste, even चुट्टा, even जी झाडाचे आमी खाणे मारतात तेची पासून एनर्जी कशी तयार जाता ते आमी थिंगा व्हरून सगळ्यांक दाखयतले. आमी पळयतले, ती स्टडी करतले, तेजे रिपोर्ट तयार करतले, गव्हर्नमेंटाक दितले, आनी ह्यो फॅसिलिटी आमी गोंयांत घालतले. द न्यू प्लांट वीच इज कमिंग एट बायगिणी, सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट प्लांट, काकोरा, जी आमी टेक्नॉलॉजी जी यूज केला तेजेर आमी इम्प्रुवायज कितें करूंक जाता, हाव वी कॅन इम्प्रूव दॅट टेक्नॉलॉजी इज वॉट वी आर गोइंग टू सी नाव. द अनदर प्लांट, बिग प्लांट विच इज सपोज टू कम इन साउथ गोवा, तेजेर आमी कितें इम्प्रुवायज करूंक जाता, वॉट वी कॅन डू. द प्लांट विच इज सपोज टू कम, बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट प्लांट विच इज कमिंग एट कुंडई, तेजो आमी टेंडर दिल्लो आहा, तो वर्क ऑर्डर दिवपाची आहा. तितून आनी कितें इम्प्रुवायज करूंक जाता, जे ते कंट्रीन कितें आहा जे आमी हिंगासर उरल्या फाटी उरल्या काय ते हितून घालपाक. सो वी कॅन एड अनदर टेंडर टू दॅट. म्हणजे ती फॅसिलिटी आमकां जायच, पूण तेच्या भायर आनी कितें करूंक जाता थिंगा ते आमी करता. सो ऑल दीस थिंग्स आर ओनली पॉसिबल वेन वी गो एंड सी इंटरनॅशनली हाव दे हॅव एडवान्स्ड technology over there, and how they are using, how they are converting waste to energy, how they are treating biomedical waste, how they are treating construction and debris waste, how they are treating household waste. आता कितें आनी इम्प्रुवायज टेक्नॉलॉजी येयला, जे लोकांचे हिंगा मनान कितें डावट आहा ते आमी क्लियर करूंक शकता. बिफोर वी सेट अप ऑल दीस फॅसिलिटीज, वी वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट क्लियर द समथिंग विच इज देयर इन द माइंड्स ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा, that attitude of not in my backyard, वो आमी चेंज करूंक शकता. कारण इतले आमी जे गार्बेज डाम करता इज नॉट द सोल्युशन. आयज सोंसड्याचेर सारकें दोंगरा वयर पावला, दॅट इज नॉट द सोल्युशन. डाम केलो थोडे जाण म्हणटा थिंगा ट्रिटमेंट हिंगा करिनाका, तुमी हिंगासून व्हरा आनी फुडें ट्रिटमेंट करा, तशें जावचें ना. पीपल हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड दॅट वी नीड टू क्रिएट गूड फॅसिलिटीज इन गोवा, सो दॅट once and for all these problems of any type of waste which is which comes into Goa or which is created in the household or in a hotel or in a restaurant or in a factory is treated over here only. Thank you.
This plant is coming based on
A delegation led by Honorable Minister for Science and Technology and Waste Management, Government of Goa, will visit Norway at the invitation of Norway's research agency, which is SINTEF. SINTEF is also a shortlisted agency of central government, CPWD, Central Public Works Department, Government of India. So, Waste Management Corporation had a MOU signed with SINTEF last year, based on which they are supposed to help us in setting up the C&D waste, construction and debris recycling of that waste. And we basically intend to set up this facility to get rid of all the waste, which is the construction and debris waste, and make products out of it. Now, since we are going to be in Norway, we are also going to see their waste to energy plants, where waste is incinerated and electricity produced. And since Norway is very close to Sweden, we are also going to visit Sweden, some of the waste to energy plants in Sweden.